Welcome to our video on the Report Center module. Our database consists of a lot of data, and the Report Center will help us structure the output of all this information. The Report Center is accessible at all times in the upper right-hand corner. Just click the large printer icon, and the Report Center will open up. In the Standard Report section, we have many predefined reports. And here, you can design your own report. When you've selected the fields for your report, it's time to set the filter of the data. You may limit the time period, or you may only get the data from a specific department, for example. Let's try one of the timesheet reports. So we'll go to Reports, Standard Reports, and here we see our timesheet report. We want to look at this in a monthly layout. We want to group by resource. And now we can run the report as a PDF. The report is generated and opened in a separate window. Close this guy out. The next report I'd like to show you is a more complex report with data from both the planning section and actuals from the timesheets. So we're going to open a planning report. We'll view the information monthly. We're going to group it by resource and then by project as the next level. For this report, I can select from a number of fields. I'd like to compare my plan versus the actuals. So I'm selecting the allocated hours from the planning module and the actual hours from the timesheet module. Since I'd like to use this report in my forecasting also, I'm going to include the available time per resource field. I would like the report to be grouped by department and also by resource. Now let's run this report in Excel. We click Run. The report is being generated in the server and is downloaded right to our browser. And here we see it. We see our department, our resources, the projects they're working on. We see the hours allocated to each project, their actual hours. And then here we see available hours per resource per month. In the Report Center, we can create our own reports. So we're going to do that now. All data within the system is available through the Report Center. So let's quickly create our own report. First, I'm going to select our customer and the project. And I want to then add the name of the customer. So I'll click on Resources, click Resource. Under the Actuals tab, I can select the number of hours on the project and the earned value here. And now let's run this report in Excel. It's downloading and opens up. And here we see it. Our customer, our project, the resource, number of hours on the project, and earned value. The Report Center is a very powerful and flexible tool. Start using it today and you'll have all the data available in a format which meets your requirements. Good luck.